Hello learners, in the last video you have been learned how to take an input from an user. So in the today's session you are going to see about typecasting any of an input to the float. Consider a condition where you need to convert all the input values to the float. So this is the conditions or this is the code you need to just follow with. Float is a keyword which is used to convert anything to a data type called float. So you are taking an input from an user, enter the item cost, variable 1 it is going to be stored in a variable 2 again another thing is going to be stored. So whatever you are going to enter, that is going to be converted into a floating data type, and it is going to perform a sum. And in the same manner, string, whatever you are writing, it is going to be converted into a string. So you can just observe here the enter value is 6 3. This is an integer, so the sum has been converted into float. And the next thing is whatever you are writing, that is d1, that will be converted into a data type called string. So you can just execute this. So in the same manner, you can just enter the values. So the answer will be converted into an integer. So here anything you are going to just type with, that is going to be converted into string. So this is all about typecasting. Whatever you are going to type, it is going to convert into a respective data type.